I'm gonna, well, as you can see, I'm wearing the same as what I am wearing on my video, on my vlog with Thanksgiving. So I'm going now. I'm gonna do a video to for those who are first timer just like me, or for those who doesn't know how to use the dishwasher. So first thing that you should do is these are the dirty plates, dirty whatever that we use during Thanksgiving or after we ate. Okay, so first and foremost, you have to remove everything. Like, you don't have to wash it, but you just have to remove the solid things or whatever, and then load it in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna show you how it. So I'm gonna show you first the levels, the levels, where this is where you put the soap, right, that, and then this area here, the first floor of the building. No, I'm just joking. So this area, this is where you put all the utensils, like knife, bread knife, spoon and fork, and everything that are not, you know, big. Okay, this area here, you can put the glass, plates, bowl, or anything that will fit into this this size. And this one is has much larger space, so you can put the pan, anything that you think that you use. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now by just putting everything that we use during our meal. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first I'm gonna load all the spoons, the fork. So that's how I do it. There are spaces on each like where you can insert the spoon and fork. As you can see, like, so yeah, so I load everything already. So I'm gonna show you. So that's how I load it. So you can see the knives are here, spoon and fork, the knife. So that's how it is over there. Okay, and then push it back. Next layer would be the second floor. Second layer. I'm gonna put plates. So like here, gonna put this like somewhere here because it's kind of big. So yeah, like that. I'm gonna put this bowl here, the front, and then the big plate at the back. I can put the glass, the wine glass. Should be. So I think I'm gonna do it like this. So I think it will be okay. And then, so because we did not use a lot of plates and everything, so that's the only thing that I put. Okay, so this is how I load the plates, the bowl, and glasses. Okay, Okay, then I'm gonna fix it. So that's one thing that is not, because it's too high. These plates should be at the bottom because it's high. So I think that big plate should be at the bottom. And lastly, the big plate should be at the bottom, the first floor or the last floor, because it's kind of high. It doesn't stand like that. And then this, I can really put that there. And then this one, and then the leads, like that. So maybe this one, let's put this, and this one over here, like that. So I think everything is loaded. So everything is loaded. And push it back. Next is we need to put the soap, the dish soap. What we are using is the Finish powder ball. So we have to peel this off and take this out from the plastic. So this is how it looks like, and then put it inside, like put it right here, and then I only use one because you know it's not a lot. So, and then push this like that, and then next is, as you can see, there's a button here. You just have to press this one, this button. This is on, and then you will see a light here. You can choose it, like if you want it normal, pots and pans, shine and crystal, sunny wash, express, rinse and hold. So what I'm gonna use is just normal. And then if you press the on, the power button, and then choose whatever you prefer to use, like normal, whatever. Like me, I'm gonna use normal. So you only have 4 seconds left after the selection of the kind of washing that you need. Okay, so like I said, if you press the power button, so you only have 4 seconds after you do the last selection from here. Okay, so we're gonna do this now because I'm ready. On. So as you can see, there is this kind of thing, so you have to choose something. So I'm gonna use normal and then close. So it's starting now. It's starting. As you can see, there is light from here, red light. So it means that it's starting, and you can also hear the sound. Well, guys, I hope that I was able to help you in my own little way. I'm not sure if I explain it really well, but for those who are first timer, just like what I said, just like me, I have a hard time at first, and I'm thinking how to do it, how to put the soap, and then loading the dishes are just, you know, it's easy because you can just put whatever, but putting the soap and then putting the turning it on, and then the timer, and then when can you close it, and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Please click like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you. This is what I call this is what I call what should I say? I hope you like my video tutorial for first time users of dishwasher Thanksgiving edition. Thank you guys, and happy Thanksgiving.